podcast, the number one football show. Yes, we have our discussion today is about the upcoming fixtures of Premier League.
Yeah.
Yes, so we'll discuss top six and uh, and give our predictions. So we start with
Tomorrow,
Uh-huh.
Liverpool versus Leicester City.
Liverpool plays against Leicester City.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Me naona hiyo game.
Liverpool is at home, eh?
Yeah, it's at home.
Yeah. I think it's a Liverpool win because Leicester City unajua wamekuwa chini sana. Kuna time walipick form hivi, World Cup ikakatisha. Sasa hii tena wamerudi pale walichipona Newcastle rahisi.
Yeah, 3-0.
So I think Liverpool has had some favorable fixtures as they start.
I think
Pick momentum sasa, pick momentum, yeah. So I'll give it to Liverpool 3-1 or 3-0 win against Leicester City.
Me naona hii game itakuwa very tricky for Liverpool.
You know Liverpool is at Anfield, eh?
Yeah. Lakini naona itakuwa wanaweza maybe they can get a win, but itakuwa either 2-1, 1-0. I think
you don't see them scoring. Is Cody Gakpo available to play on that? He's not available.
I think he'll be available in the next game.
Yeah. When the year turns over. In 2023, yeah.
But this game here, Leicester I think Leicester will sasa itajaribu kuamka. Unaona? After losing to 3-0 to Newcastle, I think hii game watakam na ile motivation they have to win. Unajua bado ukiangalia the table, wako behind sana. Wako behind.
Yeah.
I think hii game watajaribu kuamka na and maybe they can get even a draw. For me it's a draw. Liverpool
I don't see any upset. I see Liverpool will win it clean.
Mi kwangu naona 1-1 draw. Or Liverpool may sneak 2-1.
Okay. For me it's a 3-0. It's a 3-0. Yeah. So the next fixture is
on 31st, it's Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Manchester United.
Manchester United playing away to Wolves Wanderers. Yes, so that's a very interesting game. Manchester United playing away to Wolves Wanderers. And although Wolves have not been in the best form,
they're in the bottom 3.
Yeah, I know. Although Wolves have not been in the best form, I see them upsetting Manchester United. You might say it's hurting, but you see, well, let me tell you one thing about Manchester United. I'll tell you one thing about Manchester United right now. If a team is able to keep Rashford quiet, do you have any other person that can take up the responsibility and make you click?
Bruno Fernandes.
What Anthony
Haizi wabeba. Haizi sema ati sasa atleta game. Haizi lakini unaona mtu kama
in your previous goals, the goals came from Rashford,
Martial and Fred.
Rashford, Martial and Fred. So it was Rashford and Martial. Fred scored in the league late.
Yeah, assist from Casemiro.
Yeah. So let's see. So for me, I'll go with a draw. That is Wolves away. It's an away game. Ruben Neves will be there and Pedro Neto and all those. I'll go with a draw. For me, I'll go with a 1-1 draw. It will be frustrating for Manchester United, but they will drop points at Wolves. Yes.
Kwangu itakuwa hii game.
And it's a game with a history. Manchester United have dropped a lot of points at Wolves. So I see them dropping again. I see them dropping the points. So I'll give it a draw.
Molineux Stadium.
Yeah, the Molineux.
Hii game itakuwa ngumu sana kwa Man U. Sio. Itakuwa game ngumu. But Man U itashinda. Itakuwa game ngumu. Wolves iko bottom 3 inajaribu kunini. But I think Manchester United iko form. Rashford is on form. I think wakijaribu kucheza ile game yao kwa defense, unajua like they will defend
and then
try to hit on the counter.
Yeah.
I think Erik ten Hag will be aware of that. And maybe anaweza cheza na two defensive, anaweza cheza Casemiro na maybe mtu mwingine.
You think that's the solution?
It's not the solution. Hadi akicheza tu for attack.
You think Eriksen sasa acheze wapi akae chini? Sasa ndio ucheze Casemiro na huyo msee alikuwa mgonjwa na itakuwaje?
Hapana. Hadi asicheze hivi, wacheza Casemiro 2-6. Lakini sasa the right na left back wajue sasa wasiende sana, maybe they overlap sana. So juu ya huyu jamaa huyu wakikimbia sana, it's a very big threat. Huyu jamaa mwenye ametoka Barcelona huyu.
This guy
Huyu jamaa ako na mambo mingi sana, but niliona Cruz versus Arsenal. Arsenal content game kama hiyo vizuri sana.
Yeah, you know, it's different. It's different. I think sisi tuliwawezea midfield. I think for me I always prefer a better midfield than a better attacking, than a better striker.
A better midfield all day.
Yeah, a better midfield. It stabilizes the game every day.
Hiyo ndio inafanyanga
hadi msiconcede. Jita wakipia the ball
itawafanya mfunge. Itawapasa na Haaland pale na katikati hamna. Kama hamna ile KDB. Achana na Haaland aonekana.
So for me I always go for the midfield. So
I think he game Manita itashinda like a 2-1 Rashford maybe. And maybe Anthony Martial. 2-1, 2-0.
Okay. Yeah. So for me it's a 1-1 draw.
The next game,
yes,
kuna Manchester City versus Everton.
Manchester City at home again. At home.
Yeah. Against Everton.
I think it's an easy game for Manchester City, with Everton having some struggles also. Yeah. So it will be a win for Manchester City. It will be a win. Comfortable. Maybe 2-0, 3-0. Maybe. Haaland again on the score sheet.
I'm going to agree. Totally. I think they will thrash Everton like 4-0. 4-0, 5-0.
Yeah.
Everton's are it's not a team at ya kuogopa sana.
Yeah. Tena wako away to Manchester City.
Of course, Man City are the favorites.
Yeah.
Kiangalia kuna Leeds versus Newcastle.
Leeds at home. Leeds
Newcastle versus Leeds.
Oh, it's Newcastle versus Leeds.
So Newcastle is at home. St. James Park. Huko hakuna points tag.
Yeah, pia. I'll give it to Newcastle, although naipea Newcastle shingo upande. Naweza taka Leeds sana ya upset.
Leeds team poa sana. Against jana Man City nimewategemea.
Yeah, ni team poa.
Team inajua kudefend kama kitu unity sana.
Yeah. Ni team wako wanacheza na nini? But
mimi naona hiyo game naweza for I give it a draw. A 1-1 draw. Sasa
it's a 2-0 for Newcastle for me.
A 1-1 draw.
I'll give it 2-0 for Newcastle. Iko kwa form baya.
Lakini sasa siangalia Leeds hadi imechapa Liverpool bwana. Acha tupende tu 1-1 draw. Mimi nimependa 1-1 draw.
Mimi nimependa Newcastle team.
And the last game ya hii 31st. What a game.
Brighton. Arsenal league leaders. The Arsenal.
Yeah. Hii ni game tamu sana.
Arsenal is traveling away to Brighton. And Brighton is not an easy team. It's a team that can punish you and you don't turn up. But if Arsenal turn up, they still win it. 2-1.
Of course, wakiwa best good day or kila mtu at his best, of course Arsenal will win. But
do you think they can stop us from
rahisi sana. Brighton. Hii ndio test mko nayo bado kubwa sana. It's one of the toughest team kushinda, by the way. I don't know how Man City anafanyanga. Guardiola anajua kuchapa hizi team haraka rahisi.
Mimi naona Arsenal itachukua hiyo team rahisi. Not rahisi as we say, but at the end of the day, the scoreline will not reflect the game. Maybe
3 points,
it will be 3 points. I'll say a 2-1 win. We'll concede maybe a goal and we'll score 2. Yes, I think that is what will happen.
Mimi game itakuwa na mabao.
So shida yangu tu ni moja, Nketi afungangi yawe. Nketi anafunga tu yawe. So it's a good time that he starts scoring away. Because hatuwezi tegemea Saka na
Martinelli. Mimi naona hii game Brighton versus Arsenal. Arsenal iko top form, top of the table, top form, Saka top, Martinelli. Kila mtu sahi Arsenal motivational iko, but I think Brighton still a top team. Iko tu nyuma, iko number 7.
Yeah, iko just above Chelsea.
Just above Chelsea.
Yeah,
it's not an easy team.
It's not an easy team. It's not an easy team.
And I expect it. Arsenal hakuna point tatu hapa.
Yeah.
I think a draw. Or a Brighton win.
Yeah. For me, it's a
2-1, 2-0.
It's really a tricky team. It's a tricky game. But for me, if you want to be at the top, you have to go and Brighton and win. You have to win away to Brighton if you want to remain the top. That is what we need to do. We need to start winning those games.
That is what Arsenal needs to do. Kuwa top of kuku. Kutaka kama wana challenge for
hii
ndio mimi kwanza kwangu. Ita mean kitu Arsenal ikishinda. Utaona sasa they are sasa yenyewe.
One step, two step by step.
Kuna step wameenda. Wao watu ni ligi sasa wanataka.
Pia mimi naona kama hizo ndio games determine za ligi. Mostly let me tell you, away games are tricky. Away games are tricky. But I'll still vote for Arsenal. 2-1 win. Yes, that's my prediction.
I think I'll go for 2-1.
No,
2-1 Brighton or 1-1. 2-1 Brighton or 1-1.
Okay. Do you have another fixture? No. On first, I know we have a few of them.
First Sunday, we have Tottenham versus Aston Villa.
Tottenham is at home to Aston Villa. For me, that is a game to watch. It's a game to watch. Depending on Aston Villa will try and not lose twice in a row.
I think. Excuse me.
Aston Villa will try not to lose twice in a row, and Tottenham will give it their best to win the game.
At least they have not won the previous game.
Yeah. So I still think Tottenham will win. Tottenham will win. Tottenham will win 2-1.
Itakuwa game moja very tricky. Na mimi naona Aston Villa will win 3-1. 3-1 win for Aston Villa.
3-1 win for Aston Villa. Mwaga mingi lakini wako wale lakini ni sawa.
Nottingham Forest versus Chelsea the last game.
Nottingham Forest, so they are not in good form. What position are they in the league? They're like on Chelsea na Man U. But I think the game will go Old Trafford. I think Nottingham Forest.
The 19th. 16 points.
They're not in very good form. But another thing is that they are at home. And when I watched Chelsea, I didn't see them with a good performance. But they were missing players like Kovacic. I think Kovacic should come back and drive the ball more in midfield, you see. So for that game, depending on who comes back for Chelsea, I think Chelsea will win. But I would also see Nottingham Forest raising their game in that. But I will still give a Chelsea win.
It will be a Chelsea win also for me. A 2-0 win.
A 2-0 win. So that's it for the fixtures. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Follow us on all our social media platforms. It's the 90 Plus on Instagram, the 90 Plus on Facebook, the 90 Plus on TikTok. And remember to share, subscribe. Thank you.